Hey everybody, it's Coach Journey checking in with another video. Today I'm teaching you how to do a toe touch. Now I'm just going to give you a few examples of what I do, give you a few tips, and I'm also going to link the part 1 of this video right over here. You'll be able to see it at the end of this video, so look for it in this corner at the end of this video, and I hope you enjoy. Let's get started. First thing we're going to do is remove all jewelry that is a safety hazard in cheerleading. No earrings, no rings, no watches or accessories, and we're going to go straight into stretching. When you're doing a toe touch or any jump, it's very important to have your hip flexors stretched as well as your arms and your back. And now we're going to go through the cheer motions. So we're going to go 1, 2, swing 3, hit 4, down 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, swing 3, hit 4, down 5, 6, and 7, 8. All right, let's get ready to jump. We're gonna go in the grass, and first things first, you wanna put on a smile. Here we go. 1, 2, swing 3, hit 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. And again, this time we're going to take it a little bit slower. So you want to make sure your arms are locked. And you want to keep your chest up. Now it is a little hard, but you want to keep your chest up and you want to land with your feet together. And I'm just going to do a few more jumps for you. 1 more. And now on the concrete. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up, you like, you comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.